Let's be honest. The most vulnerable moment of any trip isn't the flight. It's the moment you exit the terminal. You're no longer in the air, but not yet in the city. Tired, with luggage, mentally overloaded. That's where a journey either becomes calm or chaotic. I'll walk you through how I book a private airport transfer step by step, so the road starts working for you. First thing, I open the app before I fly. Not at the airport, not in a rush. I do it in a calm moment, because a good trip starts when you remove decisions from your future self. I choose the route, airport to hotel. I enter the flight number. This matters. Flights get delayed, arrive early, change gates. You don't need to track that. The system does it for you. Then comes timing. I don't choose as soon as possible. I choose the moment I actually want to walk out of the terminal without stress. 5 extra minutes isn't luxury, it's self-respect. Next is the car. And here I ask myself one question. What state will I be in after the flight? Long flight, more space, night arrival quiet, luggage, margin. This isn't about status, it's about your body. Then you see the offers. Not one fixed price, but real options. With ratings, cars, conditions. And suddenly, you're choosing, not depending. You're not hunting for a taxi. You're making a decision. I select, confirm, pay, and that's it. My mind goes quiet. The transfer no longer lives in my head. Then you arrive. Passport control, baggage claim, and you don't think about who's picking you up, where to text, who to call. The driver already knows. They track the flight. They wait. You step into the arrivals hall, and someone meets you by name. No noise, no explanations, no chaos. That's when the journey truly begins. You sit in the car. The temperature feels right. The music is either off or gentle. No unnecessary questions. And I always notice the same thing. I haven't reached the hotel yet, but I already feel rested. Because a good transfer isn't about getting there. It's about a soft transition between worlds, from travel mode back into life. That's why I always book in advance. So the road doesn't drain energy, it gives it back.